I woke myself up because I snored and I was like... Okay, it's 5 o'clock. Let's get ready. Okay. No, the sunrise is so pretty.
Buenos dias, signorina.
Oh, look at Daisy. She's
Signor.
Looking pretty cool, Lex.
Oh, thank you, Granny. You're looking pretty. You're looking pretty snazzy yourself.
Oh, thanks.
I love how foggy it is. You can't even see the mountains.
Can't even see the fence, hardly.
Yeah. Okay, right now I'm going to reverse my granddad's car out so we can put all that stuff in the car. I'm actually done.
You're gonna zip tie yours?
Mum needs a lock, but mine I put in this.
Yeah, my lock broke, so...
Yeah, because mine's like in the suitcase.
Yeah, they
Mine's
broke
like
it. I should have put this in the bag.
Put it in my backpack.
No, but they might confiscate it. Do you think they'll... Because I could stab somebody with a zip tie. The world's gone mad!
Oh my god.
America's gone mad.
Well, don't I need to be able to see?
Mine's clearly the biggest.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
No, it's not.
No.
Come on, let's
Okay.
for the last thing round.
Are you ready? Everyone's set?
Nearly.
Bing bong. Cranky grunt.
Bye. Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Bye. You too. You can't really see your double chin. We should get a sour and an ice cream mix. Two for $100. Oh my god, that's so expensive. Mum got the pizza sub and I got bacon, cheese and ranch milk. Is that our plan?
That would be it, yeah.
Can you see our bags? I can't. The Coles bag!
He just threw it on.
Wait, that bag there's the Coles bag that we saw. Look at the size of our plane and look at the size of that plane. And it's not even two levels. The plane's tiny. I'm getting a bit nervous now.
Can't we see it's so small?
Ready to go? 35 degrees outside.
37.
Are they mangoes or purple? Are they playing pencil? Taking us on a successful workers on their break.
Pushback approved.
God, that's so close. I can touch it. Wow.
Luckily we're short.
Well, Adrian would fit. Egg
Ubi roll.
What's it? Like a custard or something. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we got cinnamon roll. So we're going to try the cinnamon.
Smells good, smell.
It passes the smell test. Oh my god, it's like in a little tray. It's pretty good. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's like amazing, but it's pretty good. The special fluffy mammon. Oh, this smells interesting. It smells like cheese. It's got like cheese on top. Oh, it's really like kind of sticky, moist, kind of like cake. Oh, cheese. Oh, that's so weird. That one just tasted like cake with cheese on top.
I don't open all of them.
Oh, I wanted to try it.
3, 2, 1, Bangkok is
Oh, you
now
can't.
sending all the remaining passengers.
It's like a few hours.
Oh, you are opening it now.
Yeah.
And butter macaroon. Oh, there's two. Oh,
Oops, I suppose they are purchased in the airport, like, you know, Brisbane Airport, you can take it on board.
it tastes like coconut, like really like compact together with
bound for Bangkok. Your new boarding gate assignment is
like with melted butter, maybe honey or syrup, like golden syrup or something.
I was expecting it like not buttered popcorn, I don't know why. But
Cheesy insane matter. Ooh, oh, that smells like cheese. Wow, good job. So on the plane, Mum was sleeping, and then all of a sudden, she wakes up and she goes, it was so funny. It was kind of scary, but yeah, apparently she said she was having a nightmare. It was just so funny though.
someone was being mean to Puppy.
I don't know, it was funny because she was just like,
I was trying to punch him.
and then I woke myself up because I snored and I was like,
Oh, I've got some on video.
oh no, really? Of me?
Yeah, it's on my
I was gonna film you while you were sleeping, but I thought, no, I'm not. I wouldn't do that. So which one do you think is your favorite? I think I like this one.
Once again for
That one's nicer than that one.
Yeah, I think I like this one the best.
I like the cinnamon rolls the best. 29 degrees, supposed to be cold water.
Well, good luck drinking that. What? Wine? Oh my god. Oh, that feels good. Okay, so this was really annoying. So we'd click on flight map and then it would say, please wait while flight map is loading. And then you wait and wait and wait, and then it'll eventually load, but then nothing came up. Like nothing. And it was just so annoying. I have no idea what I just said.
Thank you.
Yay, it made it! Here's mine. Go, 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 go. Good job.
Oh my god, how am I going to get this? Putting stuff like that on.
Oh, good job. Good job. Thank you, Mum.
That's such a relief.
Yeah. Oh, someone's wheel came off.
Oh no.
It was like black. Can't see him. Let's go, let's go.
This is so cool.
Oh no.
That was your fault.
Okay, we're looking for shuttles. This is cool.
This is nice. Thanks.
Yeah, this is really cool. Too bad we won't really get to see this in daylight.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh, it's quite big.
Oh my god, yeah, it's real big. Where are the other lights? Okay, well I got that one. So,
Anyway, we've got no lights anywhere else.
so coming through the door, there's like a rack to dry stuff, I guess. The bathroom in here, sink, toilet, bath, shower. Here is the desk, TV, there's a bed, there's lights. Can move around. Oh, they have a USB thing. Oh, that's cool. How's it get any brighter? Well, I guess yeah, because you don't really want too bright at nighttime. Oh my god, they gave us a torch. There's absolutely nothing in the fridge. Oh my god, there's a microwave in the cupboard. Ta-da! Oh, there's a DVD player. And there's coffee. Wait, let's have a look outside. There's like a car park. I can see you in the reflection, Mum. Mum zip tied her bag together and now I need to open it, but of course I don't have scissors because you're not allowed to take scissors on carry-on. I got this deodorant and it all spilled through my bag, but it smells really nice though at least. I'm excited to finally open my toothbrush holder with my toothbrush in it. Also, I've laid out my clothes for tomorrow. It looks like a person. You know how like magicians, they're like standing up and then they just fall down and then their clothes are on the floor? That's what it looks like. We've only been in here for like, what, an hour? And we've made quite a mess.
You don't put me in your category.
Well, this is like you. Okay, well, we're going to sleep now. We're getting up at 4:15 tomorrow morning. It's 11:23 right now. So I've got to get some sleep. See you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Good night. Good night.